Not a Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be unboxing Drew Barrymore's beautiful portable to-go blender. So it says you can blend anytime and anywhere. It blends 22 drinks on a full battery charge. The color is white icing. It has a leak-proof lid with carrying strap and strainer. It's 18.5 ounce BPA free Triton jar with measurements and markings. It's cordless, lightweight design, has a USB-C charging cable included, a bonus strainer also included. Its powerful 6-point stainless steel blade blends nutritious smoothies, mixed drinks, dressings, and more. It also has long-lasting material with soft matte premium finish. One-button operation for blend and pulse functions. Now it's time to take it out the box. Okay guys, so here's our blender. It comes with your instruction manual and also your cable to charge it. As you can see, the B is also in gold. And here is your button to start it, and also here is where you would charge it. Once we take the lid off, you can see there's a strainer. The strainer can also be taken off, as you can see. The measurement markings on the back goes up to 15 ounces. You can also unscrew the jar from the base. And underneath of the blender is non-slip. Okay guys, it says it has to be charged for 4 to 5 hours. When it's first plugged up, the light turns red. When it's fully charged, it'll be white. Now you can use the base to a good phone charger. You can also charge it on the computer or car. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wash it. Then we're going to go ahead and charge it. Okay guys, our blender is now charged. So I'm going to make a cookies and cream milkshake. I have mini vanilla Oreo cookies along with some crushed vanilla cookies. 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of French vanilla ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to pour my cup of milk in. Then I'm going to add my vanilla ice cream. Next, I'm going to add in our Oreos. We're going to place the lid on top. Now we can go ahead and blend it, and it'll blend for 30 seconds, then shut off. Now we can pour our milkshake into our glass. Okay guys, I added some whipped cream to the top, and all we're going to do now is put some cookies over top. And here is our milkshake. So to clean our blender, we add water and a drop of dishwashing liquid and turn it on. Okay guys, so in my opinion, this portable blender is worth the $30. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.